All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor and James. We just got into Antakya, Turkey, one of the most famous food destinations in the entire country. We are right on the border of Syria, southeast Turkey, and there is a lot of amazing food here, and we're going for a full-on tour. So check it out, guys. Get ready for the ultimate street food tour of the mega food hotspot of Antakya in the south of Turkey. Because today, along with Turkey tourism, we're going full on for 5 insane street food locations, including going to one of the best hummuses in the whole world, worth flying in directly to eat for. Let's eat. Wow, and look at this beautiful, old, ancient city. There's a lot of history here and a lot of food. And we just got in right off the flight, and we're hungry, aren't we? Yeah. Hi, Amra. How are you?
Fine. How
here
about
we
you?
are.
How was your trip?
Hatay.
Yeah, welcome to Hatay.
So excited to be here.
Capital of the food.
Lots of food.
Yeah, we will try lots of food, lots of desserts.
And we're right here in the old center.
Yes. Now we can start it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. And here we are. We're gonna try the
And
famous.
this is the place that we are going.
Okay.
From 1660.
Wow.
One of the oldest places
Oldest.
here. Yeah.
Okay, and we're gonna go in. Look at this courtyard restaurant. We're gonna watch the making of the special tepsi kebab. It's more like a circular giant meat patty. And look at all the meat in the back. Hi. And here comes the beef. Look at this giant chunk. Wow. So he's just masterfully taking a chunk there, and then a little parsley, green pepper, and then red pepper. Okay. And look at that. It's like a sword, just for 1 clove of garlic. Okay, here we go. Wow. So we got the parsley, we got the beef, we got the fat, and we got the red pepper, garlic. Wow, it's super aromatic. Look at how fast it's just getting ground up there. Little salt. Little salt.
Pepper.
Pepper. Chili. Oh.
And water.
Water. Oh, and then it's gonna get nice and soft. Look at that. Okay, and then here's the tray. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Let's see how it's made. He's just coating it. What is this, a pepper paste on the bottom?
Tomato paste.
Oh, and then he's just putting it all down. A little water and making a flat, almost like a giant patty. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, just precisely pressing it down. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Green pepper, tomato, some potatoes on there. Sliced potatoes. Beautiful. It's a work of art. Oh, and then onion. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. So it's finished now, or ready to go? Okay. Straight to the oven. 15 minutes in the oven, and then we're gonna eat. Thank you. Oh, and time for some bread. Oh, a little sesame and nigella on there. Nice. Oh, look at this. Tepsi's just pouring this tomato sauce. Wow. And then back in the oven. Beautiful. Okay, and here's the moment we've been waiting for. The tepsi kebab is almost ready. Thank you. Thank you so much. Here comes the tepsi. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Oh, it's so steamy. And the coal's right underneath, yeah. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that's the Hatay tepsi kebab. Can you take like a big chunk of the kebab with it? Like just scoop up a big meaty section?
Yes.
Use the 3-finger technique.
Yes.
It's got the parsley, it's got the garlic, oh, the red pepper.
Yeah.
All the beef, both fatty and lean. Mmm.
How was it?
Oh,
Perfect.
wow.
You like it?
That is incredible. That right there is so flavorful. The pepper gives it a spiciness, but not like a super strong spiciness. It's just smooth. It's got a punch, and then it's so juicy.
Yeah, it's juicy.
So juicy, peppery, and the bread just soaks up the juice. That's what it's meant for, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Incredible,
Incredible.
isn't it?
Wow. Okay, so we just had that amazing tepsi kebab, and now we're gonna watch the making of kunefe, classic Antakya cheesy dessert. Oh, just loading it with butter. Look at all that butter. Oh, and here's the kadayif.
Yes.
Wow, that smells amazing with the butter. And here's the cheese.
That's cheese.
Wow. It's like a light milk cheese, right? Very light.
It's not salty.
And then we've got more of the kadayif.
Yes. 1 layer kadayif, 1 layer cheese, and 1 more layer kadayif.
Okay.
On the top.
So you're saying kunefe is the best in Antakya, right?
Yes, here the capital of Künefe.
The land of kunefe. Oh, and then here it is. Look at that. Right on the fire. Let's take a look underneath. Ooh, getting nice and toasty under there. Golden brown. Okay, so these have been cooking for about 5-6 minutes now, and this one is just needing a few more minutes, and then we're gonna flip it and see how that kunefe is finally prepared with the syrup. buttering up the sides so it can flip easy. Look at this, butter going in there. It's gonna flip so nicely and smoothly. Here's the flip. Let's see how it's done. Here we go. Oh, nice! Yeah! Look at that. And now it's double sizzling. Oh, look at the cheese melting. Look at this, finish the syrup. Ooh, just sizzling with syrup. Wow. Okay, so then it's cut into like giant slices. Look at that. Ooh, it's cheesy. Nice. And then it's served. Oh, and then another layer of syrup. Oh, and then pistachio. So this is going to be ultra premium, high-end pistachio. Just added right on. Ooh. And here we are. Look at that beauty. Kunefe. Best like kunefe in all of Turkey is in this city,
in Hatay.
right? In Hatay.
And it's really good with the pistachio.
Really good with the pistachio. And
let's try
should we just go in? Yeah. They've really perfected the golden brown outer crispy layer there. Look at how gold it is. Ooh. Super hot. Look at that. Super hot and just wow. Cheesy. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Oh.
Incredible.
Wow. Look at that. Look at how crispy it is on the outside. And then gooey. It's so gooey and stringy and cheesy on the inside. Mmm. And then with that syrup and pistachio mix, that's the perfect dessert.
Sometimes, if I'm free about the work, I buy a ticket to come that area, have some meal, and go back to Istanbul.
That's the good life. Thank you. See you. And we're gonna keep exploring this market. There's a lot of stuff in here. And look at this, guys. Spices everywhere. And there's another specialty here. Merhaba. Oh, what do we have here in the pumpkin? Kabak tatlisi.
Tatlı is dessert.
Oh, so pumpkin dessert.
Pumpkin dessert. It's crispy outside and soft inside.
Okay.
And juicy inside.
And juicy. Oh, this is just amazing. We just got invited in to watch the making of this. Ooh, giant pumpkin dessert. Okay, so he's slicing up the pumpkin here. This is like a Turkish pumpkin. Ooh, so satisfying to hear the noise. Okay, and then he's just getting each slice perfect and edible.
When they slice it, they were gonna put inside the lime water.
Okay.
And it stays in the lime water one night. After that night, they were gonna cook it for 8 hours in the oven. And on the third day, it's ready for eating.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, and this is it here. This is full of syrup.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Pumpkin dessert. Ooh, look at that. Giant pumpkin slices. Oh, those look delicious. That's the Hatay special. Çok lezzetli. It looks good. Let's try one out. Oh, it's so just gorgeously vibrant. And it looks so soft and jelly-like, even though it's pumpkin. Wow. Luxury. Try it out. Mmm.
Not only for you.
Whoa! Wow. Oh my. That's extreme. Like so flavorful.
It's not like pumpkin, isn't it?
No.
It's crispy.
It's very sweet.
Juicy.
That right there is one of the top street desserts of the world. Just so much flavor, so much juice, and it's just coated in the syrup. It's amazing.
Incredible.
Incredible. And it explodes. It doesn't look like it, but when you bite into that, it explodes in your mouth. Thank you. Okay, next up, there's a special, like, a medicinal drink here, right? What is this?
That's actually earth.
So here they are. This is the special tree root, medicinal tree root from a local tree, right? It's called the, what is it, Turkish native tree?
The English name is earth tree, but we called it mayan kuku.
Mayan kuku.
Yeah.
Okay, look at the root. So he's gonna grind these down, and look at the inside. You can see that it's actually like already quite fibrous. So that's gonna break down into a fiber, and he's gonna make a tea out of it. Okay, and he's gonna add it in. Wow. Super unique. Just filling it up with water. The arc tree that's ground down in the summertime. Oh, and then he's just draining it out. Okay, so he's just washing it one time.
Only for washing. They will drop out all these water and
Okay.
they will pour it.
Okay. And it's good for your it's good for your health. It's a medicinal thing, right?
It's good for the stomach actually.
For stomach.
Yeah.
Okay.
After the meal when you drink it, it's not like sparkling water, but you know it fills you better.
So this is gonna soak for 2.5 hours, and then we're gonna come back and enjoy. Look at this traditional way. It's a traditional giant jug for the medicinal drink here. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Amazing. Look at how he's pouring it for the locals. Oh, wow. Thank you. Very nice. Look at these skills. This is the traditional way. Wow. Cheers. Try it out, guys. Oh, it's strong. Wow. It's like a bitter, medicinal, slightly sweet.
Syrup.
Yeah, medicinal syrup.
So it seems like coffee syrup.
Thank you. Chocolate. Next up, look at this, guys. We're going to an ancient cafe here, right on the corner. Look at this. Hi, marhaba. How are you?
This is the main area. Also, they have a garden over there.
Oh, wow. And a special dessert here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what's this? It's like a pudding here.
It's kind of pudding, right?
And then, oh, he's just cutting it up. Oh, and then some ice cream. Look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. And then a rose water. Look at that color. Rose, water, vanilla ice cream, special pudding underneath. Thank you. Let's go try it out. Look at that. So the pudding is just milk and sugar and starch.
Yes.
And then, oh, for that first bite, a little touch. Oh, there it is. Look at that. That's going to be strong. How is it? How is it? Wow. Oh, that is unbelievably good. Oh, it's so florally, flowery from the rose syrup. Fresh, sweet, cooling dessert.
It makes you fresh.
Yeah.
Wow, really good food here in Hatay. As soon as you land, it's just like everything is delicious. Thank you. It was delicious. So nicey, so nice. Thank you. And what a beautiful city this is. So ancient, so full of life, and we're going for more and more. Food all day. Okay, next up is hummus, and because we are near, I think this is correct, and because we are near Syria, there's a hummus influence here, is that right?
Yes, we are on the border of Syria actually. We are so close. It's not more than 40 minutes to reach the border.
So there's a hummus influence here.
Yes.
Oh, and this is it here. Okay, and we're gonna see how it's made. This is special hummus. Ooh. Okay, we've just walked into the ultimate hummus station.
First, we're gonna show you how they put on the fire.
Okay, hummus is just amazing. One of the best foods of the world.
5-6 hours it stays on the fire. Then they start to mash it.
So we've already got some partially mashed chickpeas here. Oh, he's just pro.
He mashed it like that. Then that mashed one become like this.
Oh, look how creamy it looks. Oh, here's the tahina. Oh, that's looking so rich. A little salt. There's a little garlic. And then here's the magic.
Lemon juice.
Lemon, fresh lemon juice, right in there.
It cannot be done without lemon.
Ooh. He's been doing this 50 years.
Yeah.
He's working as a master.
Wow. Oh, here it is. Look at that. Oh, this is where it's, look at how it's just whipped into a perfect circle. Look at the spices going on. Cumin, chili, parsley.
Yeah.
Oh, and then a tomato. Oh, and then some pickle. Tushu. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at the just vibrancy and color of it. Oh, and some carrot. Wow. Oh, more pickle, like a cabbage pickle. Olive oil. Look at that. Wow. That's so beautiful. Oh, thank you. Look at that. Wow. It's so beautiful. Look at the color, the vibrancy. We gotta try that. We gotta try that. Okay, time for a mixed plate now. Okay, hummus in the middle. This is the eggplant
with yogurt.
Eggplant yogurt dip. Look at all these dips. Then we've got the red pepper with walnut, and then this is like the baba ganoush. Oh wow! Oh, and then here's the fool. It's all here. So we've got fool, we've got baba ganoush, red pepper walnut, we've got hummus, a couple of varieties of eggplant dip, and yogurt and pepper dip, and he's just garnishing it now. Oh, and then just garnish with olive oil. Look at that, covered in olive oil. Oh, pomegranate molasses. It's so beautiful. Thank you. Amazing. 50 years of mastery here to make this piece of art. So we got the most beautiful artwork here. Mixed spreads. Got a few varieties with baba ganoush, pepper paste. We've got the fool. We've got a few different varieties with pepper and yogurt. And then here, look at this. This is the special hummus. Beautiful. And we watch them mix with the lemon. We watch them mix with the tahina. There's pickles, there's carrots, there's tomatoes, there's parsley. It's all on there. And it's open since 1920s. Wow, okay. And then the fool as well. Oh, let's just take some of that bread. Take some of that hummus. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, it's so thick. by hand, 100-year-old, third generation shop. We want to make that first bite count. Look at that. There's pickles, tomatoes, parsley, chili, cumin. This is upgraded hummus. Super premium level. Let's try it out. Thank you. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. That's the best. It's so delicious. You can taste the cumin, the chili, so many light aromas in there. Let's go in for some of that pepper. So this is red pepper and walnut, right? Shake it. With pomegranate molasses on top. Wow, premium artwork here. Whoa! That's the best. A little spicy.
Chili.
Yeah, a little spicy. Red chili, red pepper.
But not much, right?
Not much. It's rich and nutty from the walnut. That hummus right there is the joy of life. Like, seriously. That's what brings you straight happiness. This is seriously one of the best meals of my life, right here. I'm never gonna forget this meal. The best. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. What a day. What an amazing day. I want to give a big thank you to Turkish Tourism for helping arrange all these spots and this trip, and to our amazing guide, Emrah, thank you. Awesome day. Thanks for watching, guys.